Good evening, teacher, and good evening, classmates. Today I am going to talk about task to reading assessment. The first activity to the objectives is, okay, please can you tell me a moment and share my screen? Okay, this is the first activity. The objective is understand and identify the main ideas of the test. The test. Okay, in this activity, for a for second year of AGB in the school, where students must read the small reading and identify the main ideas and that complete the test. First, a student will be asked to read and then analyzing the words related to drawing and then write the answer. Finally, correct the writing and will be graded as well as the answer and pronunciation. For example, in this activity, the name of the student, for example, is Maria Campos. Okay, Maria Campos read about Bunny comprehension, and Maria is, I see a bunny, he has a basket, the basket has eggs, I see 5 eggs, and do you see eggs? Okay, and then Maria complete the questions. On um, each questions it's 2 points each. Okay, and the next activity is the lion and mouse. Okay, in this activity, the objective is analyzing to understand about main characters and complete the activities using the main activities acquired from the text. Okay, the students must read the text and identifying the main personalities that are spoken about and then fill in the cross postlet. And next, for this activity, the main ideas of the text and correct development of crosswords postlet will be taken into account that is the words writing correctly. This is the postlet. For example, in this case, this word is write the word comprehend in wrong because this is not correct word. And can you repeat the word? For example, this is the word. Okay, another, for example, in this picture, what the word is according the test, the text. For example, in this case is jungle de acuerdo the text. this letter is not right. Okay, in this case, for example, this animal is mouse, and according to the test is most. Okay, right, mouse. Oh, in this case is correct because the letter is correct, right. Complete the test, the rest of the activity. And the next activity have the students have the objective analyzed and identify the main message of text and in relation into answer the question activity. This is the activity, okay. And this is the activity. For example, the first read the test. First read the objective. Excuse me, and then read the activities. Say which of the following statements are true or false. Correct the false ones. And next activity is complete the sentence according to the test. And okay, in this activity, read, save the word. Okay, for example, start with Carlitos student. What will happen to the earth in the future? Scientists believe that over the next 10 million years, earthquakes and volcans will get railer. The air will become fighter, with no high mountains and shallow become fighter. With no high mountains and shallow oceans will cover most of the planet. Okay, and read all the text. Okay, then we proceed and the text, and identifying the ideas that I repeat the most because are the main ones. We complete the correct answers. For example, in this case, the ideas that most repeat are planet. Ideas is the hair with become fainter and with not high mountains and so oceans. Okay, another idea, for example, this wet head up here evaporate water from seas and the oceans will get dried. Okay, and another idea is read. For example, this another danger to our health is caused by release of chemicals known as CFCs, which are used in refrigerants and aerosol sprays. And another important idea is our hair is delicate and beautiful planet, so we must take good care of it. It is we have because in these ideas always mention earth, planet, mountains, mountains and oceans. And okay, and then complete the first activity. For example, in this case, each activity, the qualification will be 10 points for the entire activity, where the first questions will be worth 1 point, and the questions of the last activity will be 2 points. Okay. In the activity B, 2 points, and activity A, 1 point. For example, in the future, where there won't any water in the oceans, it is true or false. Okay, and complete in the activity B. Okay, according the test. For example, the ocean layer. Okay, about ocean layer. Okay, was share in the test about, for example, in this case, the ocean layer with products as from harming radiation for the sun. Okay, incomplete. In this case, is protect, protect this, no, protect ocean layer, protect the sun. Okay, and complete the next activity. When finished, save and finish. Okay, and then qualification for the teacher, and okay, write the name. For example, in the case, Fanny, then the class is of third B. Is Thank you, teacher. Bye.